Second, here we are, first day in the marina. Oh, by the way, you hear that sound? Listen. That is air conditioning. Whew. Boy, is that nice. Right now we have 3 things to do today. Only 3. So let it be known here that we called out 3, and if more things pop up, you know what life on the Dogfish is like.
There's a recent development. Something has happened. The game has changed. This is back up.
Sorry guys, we forgot to film that part, but we'll play some B-roll from something else that is similar to how it went. $1,800.
And that's exactly how it went. There's some lettuce down there. There was a couple of bananas, a couple of avocados down there. If you know what I mean. Is Q scene where you know what I mean? That's exactly what I'm talking about. This boat's ready to go. You just got like 50 more things to do. Be done tomorrow. 2-for-1's coming right up.
The Grand Massa Dock Massa has come to us and said that we need to move our boat again because the bowsprit is in the way. Apparently people have been missing it and they haven't been limboing underneath it like they should have been. And so it's a danger and a hazard now, so we got to move the boat. So he's coming with a couple of his goons and they're going to help us move it. We're just going to back into the slip right next to us because the big old boat that was there before is now gone. For this maneuver, we're going to need to invent a new line. It's going to be called the ass line. You might have seen a variation on some popular TV shows like Baywatch, but this one's going to be a little bit different. The purpose is going to be to keep our ass going in the direction we want it to go. The Tayana is known as a drunk elephant when it goes backwards. The reason for that is because it only likes to go in an unpredictable manner. So the ass line is going to connect to the back of the boat right here and run up to the dock. This piss jug is the dock. My cell phone is going to be the Dogfish. Here we go. Ass line is going to be connected here and to the dock. As we pull out, ass line will have tension on it, pulling the ass of the Dogfish back so that we can make a proper turn. Then the drunk elephant, also known as the Dogfish, will go forward. The ass line will still be connected to the dock. He will move to the other side of the dock and once again pull our ass in to the new spot. Should be a piece of cake. Asses love cake. We're just here standing by, waiting for the dock sensei. He said he'd be here before lunch, and he wasn't Panamanian, so I believe him.
Currently standing by to flip this female dog. Flipping female dogs is what I do best. Flip the female dog. That's what I'm gonna do. Ready? All right, lines on board.
Nice and easy, boss. Nice. Nice catch.
Víctor, páralo, para. Yay! Good job, everybody. You can stop it right there, partner. That's it.
Thank you. Thanks for showing up, dude. Appreciate it. Guys, that was a piece of cake.
I should be getting paid for this. This is too easy.
The next day.
The day has finally come. Maybe one of the most important days of this whole entire journey. Only because we haven't had something in so long that we've learned to live without it. No, I'm not talking about love, even though it's true, because we love our haters. That doesn't make any sense, and that's all right. What we are talking about is our Genoa sail. Look at this.
Go get some coffee or something. This is going to be a second. But then come back and look at it. Just, 30 seconds or something.
We're gonna imagine that you're walking away and getting some coffee. So, oh, trip. Oh, are you all right? Saw you tripped there. Yeah, we got lines all over the deck. See all these lines? Watch your footing there, sailor. Oh, you hit your face. Now that we're below, waiting for Dallas to get the Genoa all connected before we hoist it. Let's check out what we got in the fridge. You said you wanted a coffee? Let's see what we got. Oh! Yeah. I got you a Panama Lager coffee. We're just waiting for Dallas to connect it. Go ahead and grab yourself a coffee. I only got one. Oh, you feeling better, sailor? Me too. Let's go see if it's done now.
Well, hey there. How is your coffee? Well, come on over. She's ready to get pulled up. Could you do me a favor and man that crank over there? I'm sure there's a nautical term for it, but I need you to hoist the sail for me. Yep.
We have to pause for an emergency. It's raining now, and Dallas is drying his clothes.
I need this one dry for the night. You know what I'm saying? Oh no.
Our neighbors just put out their clothes to dry.
Oh no.
Your guys' clothes. Your clothes.
Ay, ay, ay.
Oh man. They just finished putting it up to dry. Let's get back to it. Oh shit, dog.
Oh, we found it.
Do you remember a couple episodes ago when we lost that really important piece coming down the mast? Well, now it's really screwing with us. I can't pull the halyard because it's in there. All right, next problem. So I'm down bottom of the mast to investigate this line that we thought we lost, and I'm discovering that we're actually flooding.
Let's try and pull it from your end a little bit.
Yeah, that's the plan. Also, we have a plumbing leak and we're flooding down in that hole.
Hell yeah.
So
It's typical dogfish.
it's the Mario Bros. At it again.
How leaky is the leak?
Oh, I don't know. There's just a big freaking, it's full of water down there. Whatever you pulled, keep pulling that. Let's go check it out. What?
First of all, it's freaking spaghetti soup. If you can get in there, you can see it's wrapped around one of our wires that's going to the top of the mast. That white thing. So I just gotta find the end of this fucking soup. I think it's the last little bit that's in there. I just pulled a bit in through.
So as Scooby-Doo would say, "Rah-roh, Raggy. That's some real bullshit."
As Shaggy would say, "Oh, like Scoob, we're pretty fucked, man."
As one mystery solved, another mystery begins. The plumbing mystery, where we're sinking, but our bilge pump doesn't know it and doesn't pump anything out. How is that possible? Hopefully we find out by the end of this episode, because by the end of this episode, we're probably heading out, whether we're sinking or not. Most likely while we're sinking. Okay.
She's bilging when you do that.
I don't know why.
So we've been sinking for I don't know how long, but the bilge is almost completely full. It's so full that it was overflowing into the front of the boat, which should never happen. And we discovered it only because the line that we lost at the top of the mast a couple episodes ago was wrapped around one of our halyards as we were trying to raise the sail that we just got repaired. So thank God that sail broke, so that we could raise the halyards, so that we could find the line, so that we could trace it back down to where our bilge was overflowing. If those four things didn't happen, there's a word for that. It's called serendipity. Fuck Sarah.
I'm feeling a little bit emotional because we finally have a Genoa sail, and if you've been following since the very beginning, you know that we really have never sailed with a Genoa sail. We just discussed that it may have been like day 3 to week 1 where we lost our anchor windlass and our Genoa sail because the track broke. So that's all we've known is no Genoa sail, no anchor windlass. Now we have both. So I'm feeling pretty emotional, and I'd like to describe how I'm feeling in Spanish. Estoy siento muy bueno. Todos es perfecto. Quiero el mar en mis pantalones. Quiero un cerveza más. Actually, I just remembered. Quiero un cervezo más. Después, bote en agua. Más quiero cervezo más. As you can tell, I'm doing really fucking bad. I'm muy sad. What you're looking at is the dogfish. Yeah, I know. surprising. Sails are up. We can sail. We can leave Panama. We can leave Shelter Bay Marina. We can sail. We got our boat back.